Students, open your English textbook on page number 85. We are going to see grammar part of the topic Rip Van Winkle. Before session, we solve the question answers. See, reading and writing skill, articles, a and the. Student, you are very well known about this topic. We are going to just revise it. Okay. See, Rip Van Winkle met a man. The man was looking funny. He had an empty bottle. See, we use an before the words that begin with vowel sounds A, E, I, O, U. Means which words begins with A, E, I, O, U. Before that we use an. Okay, and we use A before words that begin with consonant sounds other than A, E, I, O, U. See, means when we use A before the words which begins with consonant, and consonant means except vowels. Okay, like B, C, D, E, not E, B, C, D, F, G, H. Okay, or which is the singular word. At that time we use a. Okay, now see, we use the for nouns that are being used for the second time. We also use the for something we are certain about, something special. When we use the which is very special, which continuously occur, or when we use second time in the sentence. Understood? See the example for better understanding. Complete this paragraph using a, an, or the to fill in the blanks. One day, Alice was resting under a tree. Singular and begins with consonant. The sun was shining. Sun, special, so use the. Brightly, she was listening to her sister reading a story. Begins with consonant. The story. Again we use or talking about story, so we use the. Story was very interesting. Suddenly Alice saw an ostrich. O begins with vowel, so an ostrich run fast past her. There was something strange about an ostrich. It could talk. The talking ostrich, the repetition, so we use the. Wondered Alice. Now next part, adjectives. Do you know what is mean by adjectives? See, adjectives are describing words. They describe nouns. Means adjectives are words which give more information about the noun. Okay, see, a big genie came out of a small bottle. How is genie? Big. Big is a word describing genie. How is a bottle? Small. Small, word describing bottle. So small and big are adjectives. The shirt is wet, but the pants are dry. Wet, describing shirt. and word dry describing pants. So both are adjectives. The rabbit was fast, but the tortoise was slow. Slow word describing tortoise, fast word describing rabbit. So fast and slow are adjectives. Shanti has finished reading the thick book, but thin book is lying untouched. Okay, see the next. Cinderella's mother was cruel, but her father was kind. The box you are carrying is light. The one that I am carrying is heavy. Now next question, read these sentences and fill in the blanks with adjectives that have similar meaning. Okay, my teacher said dinosaurs were big animals. Dinosaurs were big, huge animals. It is very warm today. It is warm, hot today. My grandmother cooks delicious food. My grandmother cooks delicious, tasty food. Ants are very small creature. Ants are tiny creature. Priya is good girl. She listen to her parents. Priya is an obedient girl. She looked beautiful in the pink dress. She looked pretty. Okay, see adjectives, comparatives and superlatives. To compare things we use adjectives. To compare two things we use comparative adjectives. Example, I am bigger than ant. I am smaller than jumbo. Okay, now see, to compare more than two things we use superlative adjectives. Okay, Sunita is tall. Sana is taller. Reshma is tallest. Fill in the blanks with the correct adjectives, comparative or superlative. Ramya is dash than Ranjit. Here is the comparison between only two. So we use comparative. Taller. Today is the dash day of the season. Here is one thing comparing with all other or more than two. So we use superlative. Coldest. Nina is a naughty girl. Simple. There is no comparison. Geeta is clever. Sangeeta is cleverer, but Rani is the cleverest of the three. Somil is as lazy as Ankush. Words of time. Read these. See, suddenly, after a long time, immediately, early, soon, in time, late. See the next page. Now use these words to fill in the blanks given below. First, he reached just in time for the exam. Go to the doctor immediately. You are early for the function. You may wait for the others to come. Fourth, soon the train came to a halt. Fifth, leave early or you may be late. Sixth, Reena could not recognize Rohan as she saw him after a long time. Okay. See next, reading and writing skill. Rewrite these sentences using full stop or a question mark and capital letters. Rohan is talking on the phone. R should be capital and end with full stop. Where is Vijay going? W and V should be capital, and last put the question mark. Now writing skill. Imagine you are a Rip Van Winkle who had slept for 21 years. Now write about your experience by answering the questions given below. What did you see when you woke up? All these answers you have to write by yourself, or you can take help of the lesson also. Okay, you have to solve these pages and write in notebook and send me the photocopy. Thank you.